Welcome. If you're looking to share a fun moment with your Telegram group on your PC, sending a GIF is now easier than ever with the latest update. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Telegram app on your computer and make sure you're logged in. Once the app is up, head over to the group chat where you want to send your GIF. You'll see your groups listed on the left. Just click on the one you want to enter. At the bottom of the chat window, right next to where you type messages, look for the emojis icon. This is usually a little smiley face. Go ahead and click it. That'll open up a panel with emojis, stickers, and GIFs. Now, shift your focus to the GIF icon in this panel. Click on it, and you'll instantly get access to Telegram's huge collection of GIFs. You can browse through the selection, or use the search bar to find something specific, whether it's a funny moment, expressive reaction, or just a way to spice up the chat. Once you find the GIF you like, click on the thumbnail. The GIF will preview right in your message bar. To send it, simply click on it again or hit the send button. Instantly, your GIF appears in the group chat for everyone to see and enjoy. This quick process works every time and is designed to make your group conversations lively and animated. Remember, you can repeat these steps with different GIFs to keep things fun and expressive in your chats. So, the next time you want to react or celebrate in your Telegram group, add a touch of animation with the perfect GIF. With just a few clicks, you can turn any moment into a shared smile or laugh.